Yeah, so we call them the three M's: membership, mobility, and money. And they don't they don't always go in the same order. But just to explain, those are the three real problems that I think, the real issues that if you want to get your team right now trained in solution focused working, those are the issues you face. First of all, mobility. Even before social distancing and the pandemic shut down, it was difficult to get groups together. It was expensive. Hotels, lunches, refreshments, travel expenses, all those kinds of things, they're making it very, very difficult and just piling on the cost of your training session. The other one is, of course, is membership. And what I mean by membership is when you've finished your training, usually that's it. The trainer gets in his car and goes and you're left to your own devices. But it's not like that with us. Once you are signed up to this training, you get all the updated content, because we're always adding new content all the time. And you are able to recap and revisit at any time that you want. And what's really key about it is when you get new members of staff, those new members of staff now get trained to the same level as everybody else. So as soon as you've adopted the solution focused model in your way of working, then everybody is on the bus. And the knock-on effect from all of that is money. Okay, training budgets are tight, and we set ourselves a goal of being able to license you to train 10 people for under £2,000. I think that's pretty good. So